Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a must-have device for any car owner. It's a great safety device. So this was sent over by a company called WOLFBOX, and essentially what it is a car jumper starter for your battery or air compressor if you get a flat tire. Absolutely love this thing. So once you open it up, you're gonna notice it comes with a nice case. So it's easy to put in storage. You can go ahead and store this in the trunk of your car, for example. It does have a massive 24,000 mAh battery, which means you can start your car for approximately about 40 times, but it does a lot more also as well. And then it has a 2-year battery shelf life. So what I like to do is once a year, make sure it's nice and charged up, whether it's on your birthday, whether it's on a certain holiday, whether it's you change your AC, just something to remind you, make sure it's always topped up in case you have that emergency. Now, naturally, it's going to come with a user manual that tells you all about it. However, we're gonna cover all the features right here in the video. Now, as far as a way to charge up the battery, it is gonna include a USB C-to-C cable, so you can go ahead and plug this into your computer, a wall adapter, etc., whatever you use, for example, your phone, and it will charge up that massive battery on the device itself. But let's go over the device. So as you can see, it's a nice little size here. Give you an idea of the size, it is about 9.5 inches long. It's about 5.5 inches wide, and then as far as thickness, it's about 2.25 inches in thickness. Now, it does have quick and start instructions on the back, so if you do lose the manual or whatever, it does have easy to read instructions on the back. Now, on the side, you're gonna see a little door here that says the car or jumper cable. This is where you're gonna plug that in. So it's gonna come with your standard alligator cables, your red and black, so it's very easy to know which terminal to hook it up on your battery. You're simply gonna plug it in, and then it even has a little boost button, and it's gonna show you a correct or reverse. So if the reverse light is lit, you need to swap out the alligators. You've put it in wrong, but it even shows you your plus and minus everything. So it's very, very simple to utilize and very easy to connect to your battery, which is a very important aspect of it. Now, as far as jumping cars, it is designed for a 10-liter gas or diesel cars. It puts out about 4,000 amps as far as that starting at a 12 volts. So for pretty much most cars out there, this is going to work. And then on the top side, this is where all the other controls are. So first off, you're gonna have a DC out cable. Now, it doesn't include that, but if you do need to plug anything in, you can utilize this battery for that, utilizing that DC out option, which is a 15 volt. Then you're gonna have a little, behind this rubber door is a USB-C to or USB-A port. These are where you can go ahead and charge up the device itself, or if you need to charge up your cell phone or something like that, a tablet, etc., you can plug it in and utilize the battery as well. It does do fast charging if you're using that Type-C connection. It does up to 65 watt fast charging, so it can charge up a cell phone pretty quickly. Now, next to that little door, you're gonna have a little screw port, and that is for the tire inflator. Once again, standard little easy to use cable here, which is pretty much gonna be standard for all tires. And then bicycles, go ahead and put the one side on your tire, push it down, and then the other side just simply screws in. Now, if you are like camping or you're going to a pool party or whatnot, and you have some pool floats, or maybe you just need to inflate a basketball or a soccer ball, they do include the little adapters as well, so you can go ahead and attach that to the end and fill up those devices, which makes it just a little bit easier when you're out and about. So you're all fully set up in that aspect. And then below all that, you're gonna have this nice long bar. That is the flashlight. So this thing does have a 400 lumen bright blue flashlight. Simply go ahead and turn the device on, and then you're gonna hit the flashlight button, and it'll just it's a really bright flashlight. So if you're, once again, camping, trying to change a flat tire, something like that, it's very easy to see at night. It does have also a strobe effect. So let's say you want to draw attention, you have some other mechanical issue with your car, you can go ahead and draw attention to it by putting this on your car, and then it will go ahead and flash warning drivers. Now, if you need help, it also does have an SOS mode as well. So you can utilize that feature as needed as well. Now, as far as the controls, very, very easy to utilize. So the first thing you'll notice has a nice bright screen. You're gonna have the battery indicator at the top. On the left-hand side is gonna be with the air compression modes. So it is gonna show you several presets, which is a nice option. So to change those, right now it's on the car and it has the preset of 63 PSI. You can always adjust that however you need just by clicking the plus or minus buttons, and it'll actually remember it, which is a nice feature. And then if you want instead a motorcycle, it can do that one, or a bicycle, it can do that one, or a basketball, it can do that, or just flat out purely custom, and then it goes back. Now, if you don't use PSI, you use one of the other different measurements, you can do that as well. There is a PSI button that's gonna allow you to change those measurements. So you can do the KPA, you can do the kilograms per centimeter squared, or you can do the bar and then back to the PSI option to get basically working and going. So very, very easy to utilize when setting your settings and go ahead and starting it up. But, oh yeah, to get it going, just simply press the power button again, just tap it once, and then it will go ahead and start pumping up your tires or whatever you're utilizing it on. Then to turn off the device, just simply hold down that power button. But overall, like I said, if you are in the market and you're looking for an absolutely must-have safety device for your car, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.